Let me show you how quickly you can build a professional waitlist page using my waitlist tool. And today we'll create one for pet meal AI. Let's log in first. I'll start by choosing a template and creating the name and renaming this as pet meal AI. The next one I need is to upload an image. I already downloaded an image that I created, so I'm using that. Now I'll update the hero content with the value proposition for pet meal AI. Let's rename the project also. I'll update the actual value proposition of that with changing the subtext. I can modify the form fields now. So if I want to capture the name and email, I can show name and email. Otherwise, I could hide the name field and only capture the email. I can change the button color. So let's change the button color to match. Now let's update the CTA button text. Join early access. And make them rounded. Now I'll just update my footer, or if you want you can hide also. You can modify a couple of things here. And that's it, a clean modern pet meal AI waitlist. You can save it, you can publish it, preview it. Build your own waitlist page in minutes. Try it today.